How to fix issues with the Realtek audio driver in Windows 11. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can fix the Realtek audio driver issues. So the most simple way to fix the issue is to simply update them, and I'll show you how you can do this. So to do that, go to the search bar and type for device manager. Now, once you'll see the device manager, you can simply click onto this and it will open a particular window like this. Now, within this window, you can see different types of devices, and from here, you can also see the sound devices as well, like the audio input and output. And apart from that, you also see this driver, that is the sound, video, and game controllers. So simply click onto this, and from here, you can see all of the video and game controllers that have been already connected to this. Now from here you're gonna find in your Realtek Audio. As you can see, this is the Realtek Audio driver. Simply right click over to this, and from here you can click onto this update driver. You can click here, and from here you can either search automatically for drivers, or if you already have any driver files that you can download from the web. So if you search for automatically, it will find you the best drivers, and if you already have the updated drivers, this will show you the best drivers for you have already been installed. So you can also try clicking onto this update, or it will check you for the Windows update if there are any pending updates, so it will attempt to install them as well. So that's how easily you can fix this issue, and hopefully this will work for you. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.